Hi, I'm Fred from Fred's Tents with another Tuesday Tent Talk, and I'm with Darren Morizet with Easy RFID Pro. We're excited to announce our new, we're doing new for 2023. We are one of the first major tent manufacturers that are going to make 100% of our top fabric with RFID tags. And we've hooked up with Darren here. And Darren, what can you tell us a little bit about the readers and the guns? We're really excited to do this combined sort of joint thing.
Yeah, well, first of all, I'm very excited that Fred's made this commitment to the industry, and I think it's a game changer. So we're super excited to see that you made that commitment. So what we've developed essentially is a mobile reader, and the idea, the concept behind it is that it's something that's easy to use. There's no complicated equipment involved in this. It's very easy to use. It's portable. You could use it both in your warehouse environment as well as out in the field with your field operations.
Great. So we are going to put the chip in all tent fabrics. So slide top, heater tops, centerpiece, pole tents, sailcloth, any top fabric. Now this chip can be put into gutters, sidewalls, any other fabric, but we have made a commitment as a manufacturer, like we did back in 2000 with stainless steel and different fabrics and encapsulated windows. Again, Fred's is leading the way, being the first manufacturer to make 100% of their tops with RFID tags. So Darren, say this rental company buys a piece of tent fabric from us and they're not quite ready to maybe buy a gun. Is there any issue with the chip being in that fabric and maybe they're going to get the guns next year or 2 years or 3 years? Tell us a little bit about the chips and what's the life expectancy on a chip?
Sure.
So maybe how it works, you know?
Yeah. So there's no batteries involved in this, right? So if it sits dormant, it sits dormant. Your shelf life could be 7 to 10 years. It's going to depend on usage and how much you scan it, but it's a long time. Certainly should outlive the life of the vinyl, and if it doesn't, it's a very simple thing to replace.
So if you'd like to see this chip, if you're going to ARA, if you're watching us and you're not sure of the American Rental Association, their show is in Orlando. I think we're the 13th, 14th, and 15th in Orlando this year. Darren's company has a booth just around the corner from our booth. So his booth, Easy RFID Pro, right on his shirt, and the Fred's Tents booth. So either stop at our booth, you'll be able to, we'll have a reader in the booth. We're gonna have the tags in the fabric. Come by, I'll scan it, I'll show you how it works. If you have more technical questions and different things about the reader, stop by his booth. We will direct you there. We don't sell the readers. Darren sells it, and then what else do they have to buy? They have a sort of software?
Well, the big thing that we didn't yet talk about is Fred has a great solution for how do you update your existing inventory. How are you going to get tags attached to your existing inventory?
Right, the pouches.
So Fred's developed a good pouch.
So we make a little pouch that can be sewn on, glued on, heat sealed on. We sell them in a little bag of 10. We'll have some samples at the show. Stop by and see that. So yeah, we're going to put all the new inventory, but what happens if you have some old inventory that you want to put it in? We'll have a solution for that. But seeing the gun, the reader, and I want to correct that. If you are asking for it, we always should call it the reader, not the gun. I misspoke, so I'm still getting that down. I apologize. So see that?
It happens.
It happens.
It happens.
So we're happy to see you guys. Look forward to seeing you in Orlando. Hopefully come down and see some sunny weather. If you're coming in from the north or the Midwest or the West, come and see us both at ARA, Orlando, 13th, 14th, and 15th.
Yep.
Thanks. See you soon.
Thanks,
For
guys.
Fred and another Tuesday Tent Talk. See you next week.